Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Union County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, east central Center County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Milheim to Alpharetta to Mill Creek, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Laurelton Center and Weikert, Troxelville and Beaver Springs, Spruce Hill and Paralack, Penns Creek and Middleburg, Fremont, Cratsterville and Newport. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 211 and 279, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 81 between mile markers 39 and 113, Interstate 83 between mile markers 25 and 50, Interstate 283. This will also impact the following major roads: the Harrisburg Expressway, the Harrisburg Airport Connector, State Highway 283, Route 11, Route 1115, Route 15, Route 22, Route 22-522, Route 209, Route 322, Route 322-22, Route 422, Route 522, State Road 45, State Road 501. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now, to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free